guys think about shedding those gloves? It's pretty nice out right now.
Leave the gloves.
I'm going to carry your shells, okay? When you're out of a shell, I'll walk over to you and give you another shell. We'll load your gun and make sure that the gun's on safe. We're going to walk through the field today in a straight line. I'm going to be even with you, gals. We don't want anyone getting in front or in back of the guide. The reason is because it's more apt for the bird to get up and jump behind us, and then we're going to be swinging our gun over the top of or through someone. So we want to keep even, so you want to walk as fast as me or as slow as me. So we're going to walk through the field in a nice straight line. And as we're walking through the field in that line, we're going to keep our gun barrels up and our guns on safe. Please don't shoot any birds on the ground. Wait for me to flush or the dog to flush the bird, and then take your safety off and raise your gun, lower your head, and look straight down the gun barrel and put the bead right on the bird, okay? You really don't need to lead the bird, okay? Just put the bead right on the bird, okay? Just let me know. Whoa, whoa, hand, whoa. Let's go ahead and walk forward with me. With you guys over there on this side of me. Whoa. Let's move up there, girls. Stay with me. Whoa. That's the point. Whoa. Whoa. You're going to walk on that little hillside there. Whoa. 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 Walk right up into there, sweetheart. Whoa. 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 I'm going to walk up in there and see what I can pick up, okay? Get your guns ready. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know where it is. Whoa. Okay, why don't you come around this side of Jim? I'm going to come around him. Whoa. Whoa. Keep coming around him. Whoa. There's the bird. There's the rooster. Whoa.
Why didn't you shoot, Krista?
Okay. Let's keep walking here. That was a good situation. That was a nice clear bird, okay? But don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. If you don't feel good about taking a shot, then don't take it, okay? Whoa. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 6 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because he's got the hangers on the eyes. With the little guy with the raghorn behind him. It's a bird blowing front and a little raghorn blowing in the back. Good boy, Jim. You found a couple elks. He's an elk dog.
Al DeGrange, Gunnison River Expeditions, the name of the company. We primarily do 1 day to 3 day float fishing trips to the Black Lagoon.
Nice.
We are the largest outfitter here in the Gunnison Gorge, where we have 95 launches. Upland bird hunting, pheasants, chukars, and daring partridge, gamble quail, as well as big game hunts in the area.